is up? Welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today I am actually bringing you guys another pregnancy update. You guys, it's been a long time since I actually sat down and did a pregnancy update for you guys. As you guys already know, I had COVID, and for those 2 weeks of having COVID and being quarantined, you guys, I was just in the house, you guys, chilling, trying to get over this stupid COVID, okay? And not trying to be funny, I have been worried because, so anyway, like I was saying, you guys, I don't know if I told you guys already in the vlog or not. I don't think I did, but my children actually tested positive for, all of them tested positive for COVID. The only person that didn't test positive for COVID was AJ Bug and Babe, like, okay, but like I said, it's crazy to me because none of my children actually had signs of COVID. So that was the scariest part for me, because it's like, if you go around somebody, if I never got them tested, I would have never have known that, you know, they had COVID. So that had me really worried up. So like I was saying, I just wanted to come and sit down and talk to you guys about what's been going on with my pregnancy so far and what's been going on with me and how I've actually been feeling. So today, as of today, I'm 19 weeks and 1 day. So far I have been feeling baby move all the time. I actually felt baby move when I was about, what, 8-9 weeks, okay? Obviously because I had children before, so I know what it feels like. So yes, baby has been really active. I have not been, the only appointment that I actually been to was just to go get lab work done since I've had COVID. I have not physically been in to see a doctor at all. I'm just really anxious about just going ahead, getting inside there just to be able to check on my little baby, you know, to make sure everything is going good, because at this point in time I should be able to I should be getting another ultrasound so I can be able to see what the gender is. I don't know if me and baby is just going to go ahead and go to a place ourselves and find out the gender. So if we end up doing that, I'll definitely record, obviously, for you guys, all of that good stuff. But like I said, I have not physically been to a doctor, and I'm just so over it because I'm just calling, and I just been really I have been nauseous. I'm still nauseous, but I'm still taking my medication. Another thing is I started to itch really bad. Probably I've been itching probably like a week and a half. So I've been really itchy. So I'm just trying to get into the doctor once again so I can go ahead and get the labs drawn to see if I have cholestasis. If you guys don't know what cholestasis is, well, I have cholestasis of pregnancy. I don't have cholestasis naturally when I'm not pregnant. I just have cholestasis of pregnancy. So like I said, I'm trying to get in so I can get those labs taken to know if I have it or not. Another thing is I do have to get my glucose test done. I think I'm going to go next week to get that done, because today is Thursday and I'm probably not going to go, to be honest. I'm not going Friday, so I'm definitely going to go next week to go ahead and get this glucose test done, because it's just a walk-in appointment. I don't need to have an official appointment, if you know what I mean, to get a glucose test done. Oh my god, you guys, I have gained weight. Baby weight is real, okay? Yes, I'm gonna show you guys at the end of this video what my belly is looking like, okay? So yeah, I have gained baby weight. Babe said I'm super emotional. Like, I am. I think I cry a lot. I really do cry a lot, y'all. It does not matter what the situation is, I am crying, okay? Super emotional. I don't think I really have an appetite like that. Majority of the time I think I mostly eat around maybe 6 or 7, and that's usually when babe is home and, you know, we're winding down and he's like, what you want to eat? Another thing that I have been craving to have every day, that I have to have every day, that he brings me, is a cup of ice. I get that from Speedway. I need my ice, and I've been craving lemonade. So I have lemonade and my ice on deck. So yeah, I've been craving ice, and I have that, so that is good. So thank you, baby, for getting my ice and my lemonade every day. Another thing is, you guys, I just feel like I've been super cold, but I already told you guys that I'm anemic. I've been super cold with this pregnancy lately, and another thing is I've been having leg cramps. But you guys already know that as well, because I told you guys with my last couple of pregnancies that I have leg cramps all the time. I don't know what it is. I need to figure out what it is, but yeah. You can hear Lindy crying, y'all. She's starting to cry. But yeah, I have leg cramps with this pregnancy. So majority of the time, if you guys see me in the store, and if they have a wheelchair or a ride-on chair, whatever you call it, that's what you guys would normally see me in, because I'm not trying to put too much pressure on my uterus by walking, and I'm not trying to fall and bust my tail, okay? So yeah, you guys, that is my update. I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I am missing telling you guys? Oh, y'all, I had a conversation with one of the nurses, you guys, from my daughter's office. She was very rude. She was very nasty. And I don't even know why, y'all. I swear, every time they call me, they're like, when is your last period? Women, comment down below. Ladies, comment down below. Let me know, when you was pregnant, how many times they asked you when was your last period. I know they ask you that when you're having intake. When they're doing your intake, that's a question they normally ask you. When was your last menstrual period? Okay, and you tell them, right? Y'all, I swear I get asked this question every time I speak to a nurse, a doctor. When was your last period? And it's like, ma'am, I already told you guys this. Like I told her, I said it should be in your system by now. I done told you guys this several times, and it's just to the point where I'm just feeling like I need to leave, but I can't, because it's high risk. You guys already know I try to leave them, and then I end up going back, because obviously they're the only places in North Carolina for high risk. So kudos to them, okay? But yes, you guys, now I'm going to be giving you guys a glimpse of my belly. So this is my belly at 19 weeks, you guys. It's not that big, but hey, if it do look big, but it looks a little big to me though. I think that baby is definitely poking. So yeah, you guys, this is my belly. Okay, you guys, so that was my belly. I don't think it's too big right now, but it's definitely poking. Okay, you guys, let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any other questions. I hope I caught you guys up quite a bit on everything that's going on with me as of today, which is Thursday. Yeah, y'all, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys comment below and let me know if you guys have any more questions, like I said. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.